We will also take the opportunity to once again celebrate the recent achievements of our talented Globalians.
The magic of Diwa at Hayat. A group of curious students sneak into their social studies classroom and discover a glowing book among their teacher's collection. The book, titled Diwa at Hayat, captivates them with its brilliance. As they open it, vibrant lights and music fill the air. As one student fully opens the book, they realize it's more than just a story. The book brings their culture to life, immersing them in the powerful beat and vivid dances of their roots, Filipino folk dances, and the UAE traditional rhythms. They understand that their identity is alive, vibrant, and connected to the past and its doorway to their identity. As a living testament to the richness of both Filipino and UAE culture. Ladies and gentlemen, inspired by the story of the magic of Diwa and Hayat, where culture, music, and identity come alive. Let us now experience this magic for ourselves. With pride and excitement, we welcome the graded students as they bring this tale of life through their performance. Let their energy inspire us all to celebrate the richness of our heritage and the beauty of our unity.
Guys, look over there. A book glowing on the shelf. This book says Diwa at Hayat. Should I open it?
Go for it.
It's like the start of something. Almost like a dance. Are we part of the creator?
Now, this is incredible. It's like the book is alive with diverse culture.
It's not just a dance. This book, it's our culture.
interpretation of the theme given by our grade 8 students. Once again, let us hear a